Let it go. Drop it. Drop it.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. What's going on? Hope you're having a great day. I say good afternoon because we have gotten off to a very late start. Wife's down there making it happen. So we actually started earlier, but I didn't have the torque bit that I needed to get the stupid valance off. And let me tell you, it was eventful. It was extremely eventful. So our least liked vehicle, Miss Susie over here, our piece of scrap, almost won her first derby today. We went up against a woman in Meyer parking lot to get into the pharmacy, and I guess you could say we're kind of disappointed. Would you call it disappointed? A little pissed off? We didn't get to see the wreckage?
I'm actually kind of hurt by it.
Well, they have this fancy guardrail, and I'm pissed. I'm extremely pissed because I should have caught it on video. Ever since I started doing this vlogging thing, every time I see something stupid happen out on the road, the only thing I can think of is how pissed I am that I ain't catching on video. But they have that fancy guardrail that goes around, and she ate it. She came in hot, and she biffed it. It brought her to a pretty good stop. We were excited. But
It's a sudden stop. It was the one stop that a wife always has happen when she goes, shit, how am I going to explain this when I get home?
yeah, if my wife came home and told me what she did, I'd be madder than hell. But anyway, so we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna jump back into this. We've already gotten a late start. The wife is working on getting the lower valance taken care of for the bumper. I'm gonna jump in and get the drive shafts and start getting the drive line prepped. Don't look at that. And getting the drive line prepped for removal. So we're gonna jump into it. Let's get this done. Absolutely deranged. I don't know how you second gen guys did that bumper. That was stupid. That's all I'm going to say about that. That was stupid. Worst design ever. So anyway, got her all apart, ready to tear into it. And so we noticed earlier in life when we got the truck that the AC was completely. That explains why they deleted it, but they rerouted the belt rather than doing a delete pulley. So I see a delete pulley coming into play because the last time we put that belt on, we almost died.
No. I got slammed with a breaker bar.
In my defense, she shouldn't have been under my breaker bar. So we're going to start getting the wiring off the front here. We're going to get a vacuum. Focus. Get a vacuum. We're going to clean all that stuff out. And then I think we're going to set you guys up for that stuff. It ended up getting kind of stupid. So we did get the rear drive shaft out. The transfer case has been relieved of all of its fluid. And stupid bumper. Just stupid. Anyway, took a quick break from the hustle and the bustle. Went and got the kids. Got some special kitty to clean up the floor. Got the tractor fired up for the first time this year. We got the flat fired up. I'm going to be cars here next. But I need the tractor. I need that for tomorrow. We got a trailer in the shed. Get some of the scrap from previous stuff, builds, drops, shit like that out of the barn. We're gonna get back to Cummins content, but little man got a really good day there. Let's go. Thing sounds kind of pissed off for the first time of the year.
Open the book.
Okay.
Good job. Buddy. Well, anyway, while they're taking their break. So, I guess quick update. You know, I did show this to you guys now that I've got everything out of the way. I talked to you about the AC compressor. You know, the front timing cover actually didn't look bad. I'm pretty sure that this right here is a lot of my culprit. The oil pan did start leaking right up there, right over that cross member there. So, and I think we're also, for future repairs and purposes and all that, I think we're going to go ahead and order a fleece barring tool for the end of that, just to make cranking over the motor easier. I'm going to disconnect the fuel filter and all that here, the electrical there, drop that front drive shaft, and, you know, hopefully we get some, you know, the progress will keep going. And hopefully we'll be yanking this thing out by the end of the day tomorrow, or if not, first thing Wednesday. So that's our goal. We're going to be ripping the door off as well. This is our better look at our other door. We're going to get that on as well. So the truck is a 3500 on one side, and believe it or not, it's a 15. And it's a 1500 on the other side, so good time. We are hunting for fenders, so we're gonna take care of that too. But I'm gonna shut up and quit blabbing. Probably gonna take the boy for a lap myself, and then back at it, because we got shit to do. What are you doing?
Stuff.
Kind of stuff.
Yep, take the belt off. Now we're going to be disconnecting all the wiring throughout her, so
Yep, push tab.
take all that off. Where's the keys? Freaking screwdriver on her. That's what I do.
See, we don't do outtakes around here. When we fail, we'll show you. Except when we get pissed off and want to murder bumpers.
Oh, which one is this? Is this a sensor?
That's cool and sensor, I believe.
Yeah, that would be a screwdriver for that one. I can't get my finger in there. You can do it. That's cool. How you do this shit, and then I have to remember, oh wait, you've taken apart a lot more trucks than I have.
I'm also a mechanic.
How does this one come out?
She wants to be a smartass. Watch out. Like that. Tell you what, I'm just gonna set you back up so you can do a, you can catch them up on what you're doing once you're done.
Okay.
Camera shy still. Also, yes, she is doing her own work because this is her truck. So I playing with that because these jerks get to play around on the quad and I want to play too. So quick update on this. I took it drag racing, did the old iron dirt drags with this. Ran like absolute shit. Well, I forgot to take the air filter off the four-wheeler and run it so it sucks some stuff up. And then we put the factory air box on it, but the jackass before me decided to make it use the cheese grater effect on it. So it still sucks some shit in. Got the carb cleaned out. I should be able to drop this. Hopefully fired up here at Breathe Life. I've heard everything else fire up today, so I'm really kind of hoping this is the next thing. Alright, motor's not out yet.
So funny.
I thought it was. It lives. Whatever, it runs. What's up?
What am I missing? I removed this, I removed the ground going to it, I removed the bottom bolt, so...
Oh, to get the alternator out?
Yeah, what am I
Here,
missing?
take this.
Or is it just because I don't have enough friggin'...
You might not have enough ass. Yeah, you don't have enough ass, that's all. So, go ahead. Actually, you got to pop this bracket out of the way here.
Oh.
Pay attention. Here, I think you don't know what you're doing. God, what a bastard. You got your 10 millimeter still?
No.
So you're going to want to take your...
Because the ones on the alternator are 13. Not 10.
Go ahead and hit your nose.
I'm scared.
Damn! It's because there's a lot wrong with it. So we'll get this cleaned up too.
Okay.
And we'll get it painted up.
Alright.
these old liquid or air-cooled Hondas, but at the same time, all right, boys and girls, I think that's going to be a wrap for today. It's about 7 o'clock or so here right now. We got a lot of the Cummins torn down. Miss Sally got the three-wheeler fired up, all happy and ready to go. Let's see, what else did we do? Cleaned up some of our mess. I got the tractor charging, four-wheeler. We're happy. Been a good day. Kind of chaotic, a little goofy. Let's see if we can zoom it. Yeah, right here, the three-wheeler. Hi, buddy. He's not gonna wave back. He's bummed out. We'll have to take him for a ride tomorrow. So, but again, I think that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. We're gonna dive back into Sally first thing in the morning once we drop the kids off. And yeah, we'll put the old pull tractor here to work, and pretty much I think that's gonna do it, guys. Yeah. So we appreciate you stopping back by. If this is your first time, please go back through my videos. You can see this big guy behind me here. That's our Duramax swap. That's Ironhide. We got Betty here. We haven't, she's on the back burner for right now. She's going to be the wife's drag truck. We got Lola the tow pig. Sally, mama's tow pig. And so yeah, if you're new, go back through, check those videos out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. That really helps me out with how I'm doing with the videos. Take care. Relax on your Monday evening. We'll see you next time. Later, guys.